Welcome to Alan Melwood Drive. This is the 4B8 layout. This is out of the loft. So, and I'm going to let you know what's going on with the channel. And there's a lot going on with the channel. I've actually got stickers now. So, if you would like a sticker of Anfield Road layout in the loft, send me an email and I'll send you a sticker. The email is on my about page. So this is what's going on with the channel. I'm going to upload content every Friday. So if you are subscribed to my channel, make sure you've hit the notification bell for all, so you get the notifications when I upload. Then you'll know what day of upload. If what day I upload is a Friday on my channel. So that's my update with Alan Melwood Drive. Oh, another big thing. I'm going to be doing my live streams on a Sunday with friends as well, starting up in January again. So just watch out for that. There'll be the live stream with friends. So look out, keep safe. Don't forget, like and share my channel. And so, and another thing. Subscribe to my channel. See you again. Thank you for watching. Let's get on with this thing in question. Running trains! What it's all about. Thank you.